Jett wins Daytona.
Big win right there. Big win. Yeah, this is huge. This is huge.
They're going for the goggles, like it or not.
Thank you, Jason, and what an atmosphere down here. Jett, congratulations! You are a Daytona winner in the 450 class. The crowd's loud. Jett, you've got 2 wins here on the season, but this one seems like it's special to you. Why and how?
Yeah, gosh, it felt great. I felt good all day. But no, like I said, we came here for business. I stood on business then. So I'm just happy to come out here with a win. Get another one. Hopefully we can keep clicking them off. I improved on my mistakes from last weekend, so I'm pumped about that.